Hello everybody, I am Alka Jolly, your GK teacher. Today I am going to explain you two lessons, endangered plant species and no more on green world. So the first lesson that I am going to explain is endangered plant species. Now dear children, what do you mean by endangered? Endangered means in danger of being harmed or destroyed completely. So let us begin to read. Just like many animal species, some certain plant species also have reached at the edge of extinction. Now what is extinction? It means dying out, the process of being disappearance. So just like many animal species, they have got extinct. In the same way, certain plant species are also going to dying out. If they are not conserved, they will be extinct soon. Conserved means protected. So if they are not protected well, some plant species, they will also die out soon. Cutting of trees, fire and pollution are destroying these plant species rapidly. So what is the reason behind the extinction of such plant species? So the reason behind this is cutting of trees, fire and pollution. So these are the three reasons that are responsible for the destruction of these plant species. Now out of this paragraph, two questions can be framed. Number one is, what are endangered plant species? The answer you can write is, endangered plant species are certain plant species that have reached at the edge of extinction. The second question can be framed, what are destroying these plant species, or what are the reasons behind this? So the answer will be, cutting of trees, fire and pollution are destroying these plant species rapidly. So now the pictures of some endangered plant species are given here, and you have to read the description given and you have to name these plant species, and the names of these plant species are written in the clue box. So let us start. Found in Japan, they are slow growing evergreens. So this plant is found in Japan and it is very slow in growing and it is evergreen. This is not seasonal, and the name of this plant is sago palm. So they are eaten by possums found in New Zealand. These plants are found in New Zealand and they are eaten by possums. Possums are Australian mammals, small Australian mammals, and they live in trees and they come out only during night, and so they are eaten by, these plants are eaten by possums. And where these plants are found? They are found in New Zealand, and the name of these plants are brush lilies. Now this is the picture of Rafflesia. It is the largest flower in the world. So which is the largest flower in the world? Rafflesia. So they are the world's rarest cacti. Rarest means not found in large number. So these are the world's rarest cacti, and the name of these cacti are Knowlton cacti. Next is Venus flytrap. It is an insectivorous plant that eats insects. So this is a plant that eats insects. That is why its name is, it's an insectivorous and its name is Venus flytrap. Now these plants are found in volcanic islands of Hawaii, and the name of these plants is silver swords. The next one is Georgia aster. This plant is found in southeastern United States. So Georgia aster plant is found in southeastern United States. So it is found in 5 US states in the Midwest, and the name of this plant is Platanthera praeclara. The next one is drawn redwoods. These rare plants were rediscovered in China. Rare, as I told you, the plants that are not found in large number. So these plants were rediscovered in China, and the name of these plant is drawn redwoods. The next one is, it grows only in the fresh water of San Marcos River. So San Marcos is the name of the river, and this plant grows only in the fresh water of San Marcos River, and the name of this plant is Texas wild rice. So this is Eclipha wigginsii. Eclipha wigginsii. It is found in a tiny part of Galapagos Islands, and its name is Eclipha wigginsii. So this was the end of first lesson. Now let us move to the next lesson, Know More on Green World. So a few questions are given and you have to answer them. Let us begin with the first question. What is the form of food prepared by plants? So the form of food prepared by plants is simple: sugar. Which tree has roots that grow from the underside of the branches directly to the ground? So the name of this tree is banyan. This tree has roots that grow from the underside of the branches and it directly goes to the ground. So the name of this tree is banyan. Where does the cactus plant make and store its food? So the cactus plant makes and store its food in stem because it doesn't have leaves. So it makes and store its food in stem. As you know that the leaves in the plants make the food and store in themselves, but since cactus don't have leaves, so stem of the cactus plant make and store its food inside it. Number 4, which is another name for toadstool? The another name for toadstool is mushroom. What is the name of the furry green or black coat that a piece of damp bread gets covered with in time? It is mold. The leaves of which type of plant are often used to add flavor to dishes? So it is herb like mint, coriander. When you put in dishes, they are used to add flavor in the dishes. Why can't mushrooms make their own food? Because they do not have chlorophyll. Mushrooms are not green in color, so they do not have chlorophyll, so they can't make their own food. Which nuts has a center filled with liquid? So coconut has a center filled with liquid. Number 9. What are the plants that grow on dry lands like deserts called? The plants that grow on dry lands like deserts are called xerophytes. Number 10. Which plant has lengthiest leaves? The plant that has lengthiest leaves is raffia palm. Number 11. Which is the national tree of India? So the national tree of India is banyan tree. 12th. Which is the largest tree-borne fruit in the world? The largest tree-borne fruit in the world is jackfruit. So that's the end of this lesson. I hope all of you must have understood both the lessons. Now go through these lessons thoroughly. The questions can come in any form. They can come in the form of true or false, in the form of blanks, or in the form of question answers. So I hope all of you would have understood the lesson very well. Now, if you want to get the notifications of the videos being uploaded by me, so I would like you to subscribe my channel English Lighthouse so that you can get the notifications for the videos that I keep on uploading in them. So thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll be soon back. Till then, bye bye, have a great time.